Hey Lobos, Ben Johnson here to show you how to turn Google Meets on in your Google Classroom. This is a new feature, relatively new. So you go to your class, and then in the upper right hand corner is the cog. If you click on the cog, you can scroll down to this general section, and you'll see they've now added Meet as an optional feature that you can make visible for students. Once you turn that on, it will, if you save it, it will show up in the banner of your class, and then you can right click and copy that address, and then basically anywhere you'd like to post that, whether it's an announcement or an assignment, you can just go ahead and paste that link, and now your students will be able to access that link and join your office hours or whatever purpose that you have. As long as you don't put a nickname on it, the students will be able to access it and use it whenever they like. If you want to restrict their access to just when you're using it, at the time you click on this link, you'll need to put a nickname on the class, and I've recorded a tutorial on that previously that you can refer back to. Alright, hope this helps. Thanks, Lobos.